You want it. What are you gonna do? You can do it, bud. You can do it. You want the bottle. It's right here. I know you want it. You can get it. Okay. Go, mister, go. Go, bud. You can do it. Just like this morning. Yeah. You didn't forget. You had a nap and then you forgot to crawl. You forgot how to do it. Hey? Oh, how about this toy? Oh, I know you like it. There you go. Way to go, bud. Come on, you could do it a little bit more. Oh, one more. One more. You could do it. Nice job, buddy. Way to go. Yay! Yay!